Okay, I've been tagged by Seansfood to see what's in my fridge and my cupboards, and it was all started by Platypusguitar, and I'll leave a link down there to a channel, and Sean's, he's a good lad, so brace yourself. Okay, this is the kitchen. That's a coffee area where we read and drink coffee. That's the fridge. That's the cupboard. So let's see what's in this fridge. I told you to brace yourself. Okay, so what we got? We have got some baby pickles, some mustard, a little bit of Taste of England there, some pimentos, some yeast, some Hellmann's mayonnaise, some balsamic, hold on, I can get it out, some balsamic glazed white truffle there at the back, some barbecued sauce, some jalapeno peppers, some pepperoncinis there at the back, some tofu, oof, that ain't mine, some rolls, little Taste of England there, oh man, another little Taste of England there, Richard, some feta, some mashed potato, some pickled cabbage there at the back, some potato salad we made, whew, some taco dinner kit which I love, some pimento cheese at the back there, what we got, some banana peppers we've pickled, some butter, just some mushroom tomato sauce, a Twizzler, I don't know what that is, and some olives there at the back. In here, got some cheese, Swiss cheese, onion, some expensive good chocolate, that's my wife's, and some cheese at the back there. Yeah, some spinach, some cucumber, some lettuce, some radishes, butternut squash, cabbage there at the back, lettuce, some carrots, some rosemary, avocado, see, some oranges, some limes, pomegranate. So nothing exciting. Okay, we've got some eggs, some clarified key lime, some Spanish olives, some hot sauce, some zesty Italian dressing, cocktail sauce, mustard, sriracha, gotta have that, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, some Parmesan roasted garlic, can't remember having that, some dressing, some soy sauce, some hot sauce, some mustard at the back there, some barbecue sauce. That's it. Okay, the freezer. What we got? We got some chocolate chunk, yeah. Some coconut. What is this? Oh, some cookies, some chocolate. Looks nice. That's the wife's, I think. Then I got some other stuff. I got some. That's my wife's. She's a vegetarian. Corn dogs. Some other various bits and bobs in there. I got some, I don't know, jumbo shrimp. Some battered fish. And some Japanese style noodles, some fish sticks, broccoli, some green peas, some vegetables, waffle fries, some chicken, and some ice. I got some hot dogs, kids cuisine, some ham, some meatloaf, that's just ham, and that's it. Oh yeah, I got some deer meat, and I don't know what that is. Okay, now the pantry. It's not very good lighting in here, but I'll do my best. What we got here? Let's have a look. What we got? Some Kool-Aid. What is this? What is that? Oh, it's... I don't know what that is. Some dark corn syrup. Some... I have no idea what that is. Some condensed milk. Some flour. Some no-calorie sweetener. You've got some vegetable oil. Yogurt covered raisins. Some English muffins. Some boiling a bag rice. Some peanut butter. Some Concord grape, a lot of tomato sauce, a lot of canned tomatoes, pork and beans, bagels, crackers, bread, hamburger helper, love that stuff, plenty of barbecue sauce, if you can see, some more mustard, some pasta, some bog roll, something for dogs, arborio rice, some tortilla chips, some barbecue chips, some more restaurant style tortillas, and then I got some Japanese stuff, loads of Japanese stuff there. So that's it. Those are my chefs, my brigade. There's Big Boy. Oh yeah, I want to know, to all these European people out there and the English people, have you seen a Stella bottle like this? Have you seen that? With a Coke? I haven't. I decided to keep the bottle, and I love Stella, but I've never ever seen a bottle like that. So if you have, tell me. But I think it's neat. Oh yeah, this is what I want to do. I was talking to Richard from MrEZCooking. He's got a YouTube channel, does great food, and we was on about Marmite, and he said it's great on a grilled sandwich, and I never had it. I've had Marmite years and years and years. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try it out, but I'm going to use a English muffin. I've got my Georgie boy on, the old Georgie, can't fail that. Okay, going to get my cheese, some onion, and use some ham. And what else did he say? So look, what's he say? I toast the bread first, then spread the Marmite on one side only, and then blah, 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 blah. Some hot sauce. Well, hot sauce, I'm going to put a little bit of sriracha on it. Okay, so let's toast the old muffin. Okay, the muffin's toasted. I've got to have butter on this English muffin, like a sponge. And then a little bit of Marmite. You don't want to go wild on this because it can be very salty, but I love Marmite. And a little bit of sriracha. I've never done this. Put some onion on there, thinly sliced. Some ham. Nice Swiss cheese. Yes, yes. Looking forward to this. Drizzle some olive oil. On that side too. Okay, let's stick on the Georgie boy. Okay, this should be ready. Oh. Okay, let's have a little taste of this. Oh. Man, Richard, you were right, man. So there you go. I hope hope you enjoyed it. Nothing exciting. That's what's in my fridge and my cabinets and all that. But I've got to tag somebody, and I'm going to tag 2 people. And that is the Frugal Chef, Miriam, and 15 Spatulas, Joanne. So I don't know if they've been tagged or anything, but I'll tag them and I'll send them an email or something. So I hope you enjoyed it. Grilled cheese. Why didn't I think of that?